Taco Tuesday, y'all.
Taco Tuesday.
Yeah. What do we have here now? What do we have, baby? We have, go ahead.
We have soft shell shrimp tacos, teriyaki,
3 flavors, y'all.
spicy, and barbecue.
Yeah.
All by my famous husband.
Oh, wow. Really? And we had a sausage, y'all. We have salsa, sour cream, and yum yum.
Yum yum. And we have limes. Oh, sorry, baby.
I
Go
didn't
ahead.
know which bowl that was.
Go ahead.
Okay, let's raise it up. Raise the roof. Raise it up.
And we have
Was it cheesy?
cheesy Mexican rice.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
And then we have the lime and lemon.
Lime and the lemon, y'all.
And our famous ow!
Whoop, whoop.
Hooty hoo!
Hooty hoo. Y'all see that? Tropical drink, y'all.
And we cannot forget, you know you have to have some chips.
Yeah. Chips and salsa, y'all. But before we get started, we're going to give praise to who made it all possible before we dig in, y'all.
Amen.
Yeah.
Woo-wee.
Yeah.
Before we get digging down into this good old food,
y'all remember to like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Yeah. We appreciate you all.
And thank you to the new subscribers.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to the TVJ Squad.
Squad up.
Squad up.
Mm.
Right off the chain.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it's the teriyaki here, spicy in the middle, barbecue up front. Which one we starting with, though?
Well, so we can keep the presentation the same.
I'm starting in front. Okay, teriyaki it is.
Teriyaki. Y'all, these things are stuffed. I had to put toothpicks in them
I want to see the inside.
to keep them close together.
I'm gonna open it up for y'all.
Hopefully don't nothing fall out.
Y'all see that? Yeah. This is teriyaki shrimp, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
With the pico sauce. Got the pico sauce inside.
Homemade pico sauce, lettuce, well, kale, cheese, and then my husband whipped up them teriyaki shrimp. I said, ow, get it, baby. I'm gonna put me a little lime on top.
Oh yeah.
I don't
Need
even.
some of that little lemon juice in
I
there.
don't know what toppings you put in the middle of yours, baby. Sour cream.
I put a little yum yum with sour cream. Let's see what you're talking about.
Is it good, baby? I'm gonna put me a little. I don't really want to mess up the flavor by putting too much extra on here. It's good, baby.
Can we please have a moment of silence?
Diggity.
Woo! Baby.
Mm-hmm.
Man, look here.
Now, let me tell y'all. This is our first time doing shrimp tacos. We normally do impossible meat. Don't we, baby?
Mm-hmm.
On hard shell. Ooh. What? Here. I'm not going to even be stingy. Here you go. Taste a little of that teriyaki right there. Ow! Yeah.
Y'all. Woo!
This is so good.
This jumping, y'all. This bumping. Y'all gotta hook up some shrimp tacos, y'all. All I did was set out 3 different bowls, y'all. Took some Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce in one bowl, season it up, put a little butter in there, get teriyaki in another bowl with the shrimp, season it up, then did another one with some cayenne and some sriracha sauce. In another bowl, put the seasoned little butter, took a wok pan, y'all, and cooked each one individually, washed the wok out each time so the flavors didn't cross over. Y'all.
Baby, you tore that taco up.
Man, what time?
Wait a minute.
What time? I thought somebody said the police were coming. Oh, hey.
Mm-mm.
I had to get rid of evidence before they came over here trying to dust the fingerprint.
Baby, for real. DBJ Squad. Try it out.
I'm gonna get one of these spicy one this time, bro.
Man, it's teriyaki though.
Man, look.
You did that,
See
baby.
what the spicy talking about. I think I'll put a little of that sauce on there this time. Yeah, a little sauce this time. A little yum yum.
Oh, this is good.
I hope y'all having a blessed day today. On this Taco Tuesday day today. And y'all shaking off them haters and staying focused. Because them haters don't stop. So that focus definitely can't stop.
Because them haters don't like that, ladies.
That's what they're talking about.
Good and spicy.
Drop the mic.
Drop it. Drop the towel.
Drop.
Boop.
Gotta drop. Yeah. Gotta drop. Put up. Gotta drop.
Boop. Wow.
Sheesh.
As y'all can see, my husband, he 2-to-1 on me. He be gulping them down. He said, you be playing.
I can slow down now.
You can slow down, baby.
Little taco. That one got kicked too.
Excuse me. Oh yeah, you want some chips? Oh, you good?
I'm good right now. Taking all
Y'all
this
just
in.
falling out of the shell.
Hey y'all got to hook up some shrimp tacos. They're so easy, y'all. Get y'all a variation of different flavors, so it's a little, a little exciting, not boring.
Oh
This
yeah.
is our first time switching up like this. We still try to do a little stuff different.
The shells, yeah.
But 3 different flavors, y'all.
What?
Woo.
I want to try crab tacos next. No. Seafood in the house. Oh yeah.
Man, this is good. Man, wait till you try that spicy.
How y'all make y'all tacos at the house? Let us know. On Taco Tuesday.
Y'all use that sour cream and that salsa.
Or that yum yum sauce.
What y'all know about that yum yum sauce?
Yum 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 yum.
Y'all don't know
yum.
about that yum yum sauce.
Look at that big pretty pineapple.
What I gotta say?
Hit that joker.
Man.
All right. Ooh, my nose, baby. I heard you sniffing over there. This time, I'm just gonna squeeze a little.
Yeah, spicy was spicy
Lime.
for real.
So I might not need to put no, because you know the salsa is spicy already. That's the habanero.
Try it without it first.
Try without it first.
Yeah.
Okay. They said try without it first. So that means that means it's spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy. Ain't no play.
Ain't no play.
Yeah, ain't no play.
Do y'all squeeze lime on y'all tacos?
Yeah, let me get them chips, baby.
Yeah, I felt like that. Here you go.
No chips.
Who heat they chips up? I heat my chips up. Y'all like my chips almost burnt.
Y'all see the little char on the chips, y'all? See, you put the chips in the oven, y'all. They good, y'all. Kind of remind you of a taco shell.
Yeah.
I'm talking about, baby.
Each one of these, excuse me.
I told you.
Ow!
That's salsa.
Yeah.
What is that?
Habanero.
Jeez.
You all right? Get you something to drink.
Fire truck. Get the fire truck. Woo! Jeez.
Y'all, this sauce is not no joke.
No.
We actually got this from Walmart.
Yeah.
I forgot the name of it, but it's
Oh, that's that
habanero
one Lil
hot.
Duke was talking about.
Habanero hot.
That boy choke you out.
Mm-hmm. Your face turned red.
Make me want to eat the chips by itself. You ran me off.
Don't get choked out on camera. You'll be like, oh, Lord.
Sheesh.
Wrap it up.
I gotta get one of these barbecues up there. I got to do it. I got to do it, y'all.
Barbecue, that's my husband's favorite.
Yeah, I got to do it. Let me show the people what this look like.
My nose is started running. Y'all know how
Y'all
it
see
is.
that? Y'all see that? Yeah, I
Excuse
got
me.
to do it, y'all.
Woo! Oh, yeah. You know, when your toppings fall out your taco, what I like to do is scoop it up with some chips after I finish my food. Who else do that? When your taco stuff fall out on your plate, do y'all scoop it up with your chips or with your fingers?
You know I do.
Y'all put up. These are delicious.
You know, outdid ourselves, y'all.
Y'all know I'm normally
Y'all?
talking. I can't today.
We know outdid ourselves, y'all.
Man. These are so good. And you know, we also put our shell in the skillet. I used to use butter, but I've been using like the spray pan butter. Is that what you call it, baby?
Yeah, like a Pam type.
Trying to do less calories, you know, because that butter just be so, I don't know, it's just so much. So I just use a spray.
Man, y'all. Just sit here, y'all. We make you want taco every day, not no Tuesday.
I told you, I've been waiting. That's my favorite dish. This and seafood.
So put them together, got a winner, huh?
Baby. That's what we did today. Y'all food is dripping.
And the pico sauce, y'all, kicking. Got pico sauce on that thing, y'all.
Made it from scratch. Ow!
Man.
Well, we thank you, as always, for coming to our channel. But make sure that you
Like.
You comment.
And subscribe. Subscribe. Bang.
Boom.
Until next time, y'all. Y'all be safe. Y'all stay focused. Peace.
Peace.